Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 7. So, to solve this, I'm going to first start by factoring out 5 to the power of x. So I get 5 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2, so I get 5 to the power of x times 2 is equal to 7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2, so these two cancel out, and I get 5 to the power of x is equal to 7 over 2. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides, so I get log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 7 over 2. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, this is equal to b times log a. So in this case, I can move x to the front. So I get x times log 5 is equal to log of 7 over 2. Now, we want to isolate x, so I'm going to divide both sides by log 5. So now these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log of 7 over 2 over log 5. Now this turns into log of 7 minus log 2 over log 5. Which is equal to 0.8451 minus 0.3010 over 0.6990. And this is equal to 0.7784. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. And for this problem, I actually have 4 option choices. So for A, I have 27 to the power of 30. For B, I have 9 to the power of 30. For C, I have 27 to the power of 10. And for D, I have 3 to the power of 21. So to first start out, let's go through all these option choices and see if they're right or not. So we first have A, 27 to the power of 30, and how this likely was resulted in was from adding all the bases and adding all the exponents. So we have 9 plus 9 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 27 to the power of 30. And this is actually wrong because this is not the proper way to add exponents. So now going from here, this was likely gotten, 9 to the power of 30, by keeping the base the same and then adding the exponents. And this again is wrong because this is not the right way to add exponents. Now we have 27 to the power of 10, and this was gotten from adding the bases but keeping the exponent the same. And this again is wrong as well. That's not how you add exponents. Now 3 to the power of 21, which is by process of elimination the right answer, we're going to see how they got this. So we first start with 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. And I'm going to factor out 9 to the power of 10. So I get 9 to the power of 10 times 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 9 to the power of 10 times 3. And now this is equal to 3 squared to the power of 10 times 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 is going to equal 3 to the power of 20. And I have this times 3 to the power of 1. So I simply just add the exponents. This is equal to 3 to the power of 21. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this to any of your friends or family members.